Hello everyone, I am JAMUNARANI, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Now I explain about Python programming. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, especially server-side, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Features of Python. It's a free and open source, easy to code, easy to read, concept, GUI based programming support, high level language, large community support, easy to debug. Python is a portable language and also integrated language. It is an interpreted language, large standard library, dynamically typed languages, front end and back end development, allocating memory dynamically. It is a main advantage of the Python. Literals in Python. Literals are a notation of representing a fixed value in source code. They can also be defined as a raw values or data given in variable or constants. Python has different types of literal such as string, character, numeric, boolean, literal and special literal. Python keywords. So the keywords are predefined reserved words used in Python programming that have used special meaning to the compiler. We cannot use keyword as a variable name, function name, or any other identifier. They are used to define the syntax and structure of the Python language. Python variable. A variable is a container, that is storage area, to hold the data. For example, number equal to 10. So the number is a variable, it hold value of 10. Python identifiers. Identifiers are the name given to variables, classes, methods, and etc. For example, language is a language equal to Python. Rules for naming an identifier. An identifier cannot be a keyword, also case sensitive. It can have a sequence of letters and digits. However, it must begin with a letter or underscore. The first letter of an identifier cannot be digit. It is a convention to start an identifier with a letter rather underscore. White spaces are not allowed. We cannot use special symbols like at, has, dollars, and so on. Operators. In Python programming, operators general are used to perform operations on values and variables. They are standard symbols used for purpose logical and arithmetic operations. In this article, we will look into different types of Python operators. Operators, these are special symbols like plus, minus, multiplications as divide symbols. Operand, it is a value on which the operators is applied. So some type of operators in available Python: arithmetic, logical, relational, bitwise, and assignment, identity operators, and membership operators. Array. Array is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Example, car. So car is a variable. It contains three values: Ford, Volvo, and BMW. So array is a special variable which can hold more than one values at a time. If you have a list of items, car names, for example, storing a car in a single variable could look this like, so car 1 is equal to Ford, car 2 is equal to Volvo, and then car 3 is equal to BMW. Control statements. So a control statement is a statement that defines a control flow, a set of instruction. That is, it decides the sequence in which the instruction in a program are to be executed. Types of control statements: selection or conditional control. It is to execute only a selected set of statements. Iterative control. So it is execute a set of statements repeatedly. So unconditional control. Selection and conditional branching statements. In Python programming language, the type of control flow statements is as follows: the if statement, the if else statements, the nested if statement, and then if else later. If statement, if the condition is true, the statement is executed, otherwise the statement not is executed. If else statement, if condition is true, the true block is executed, otherwise if condition is false, false block, that is else block executed. Nested if else statement, here if condition 1 is true, the condition 2 is executed, again the condition is true, the true block is executed, otherwise false block of condition 2. If condition 1 is false, the false block of condition 1 part is executed. Elif ladder, if condition is true, the statement 1 is executed. If condition is false, another if condition is executed. So that is called if else ladder. Iterative statements. Iteration statements are loop statements, allows us to execute block of statements continuously executed some condition until some condition is met. Loop statements are used to when we need to run some same code again and again, each time with the different values. Type of iteration statements, the while loop and then for loop. The while loop is used to set of statements continuously executed while when the condition is true. One of the example for the while loops. Then for loop. Here also, if condition is true, the set of loop statement is executed. Otherwise, it terminates the loops. Is another example for the for loops. Thank you.